This is the Vlogmate Mini from Founist. I'm probably butchering that name. But it's a monitor screen for your iPhone. Founist. This is the Vlogmate Mini. It's a real-time screen mirroring monitor for your iPhone. This is probably my favorite accessory that I've received for my phone, which honestly surprised me because I didn't think it was going to be interesting at first. I actually used this on my recent Asia trip and it was perfect for taking selfies. But I don't think you care about that. Let's take a closer look at the Vlogmate Mini. This monitor is plug and play, so you don't need to download any apps or do any Bluetooth pairing like other monitors. You literally just plug it into your iPhone, flip the switch on, and start filming. This screen allows you to easily frame yourself when taking selfies or videos with your much better back cameras on your iPhone. Now, you don't have to worry about cutting yourself out of the frame. Alright, if you're taking videos that bad, that's more of a user error. This does help you make sure that you're not blocking that background with your big head. Since this is wired, you won't have any lag up to 4K 30 when using the stock camera app. If you want to film at a higher frame rate, you'll want to use a third-party app like the Blackmagic Cam app. This app is free in case you didn't know. I'm not sure why it's like this, but it must be something with how the stock camera app is built. I've tested Bluetooth monitors similar to this and the delay on them are crazy bad. And those Bluetooth monitors can be a hassle because you have to pair them every time you want to connect it to your phone. It is not a fast process. The Vlogmate Mini just simply plugs in and is ready to go. You don't even need any special apps to use it. It works perfectly fine with the stock camera app in landscape or portrait orientation. It comes with a Bluetooth remote that was really smartly designed. It's magnetic and designed to sit right on the cable of your Vlogmate Mini. So you can easily set your phone up on a tripod, step away, and trigger the recording from a distance like for your TikTok. I don't know why I think you have to dance when you're away from your camera like you can't just film a normal scene. It's 0.2 inches thick and weighs just 1.76 ounces. It's powered by your iPhone using just 0.6 watts of power. It has an AMOLED display of 700 nits of brightness, so it's easy to see, even in outdoor sunlight. It comes with two cables depending on which version of iPhone you're using. There's the USB-C to C and the USB-C to Lightning. And for even older iPhone models without MagSafe, it comes with a metal ring so that you can attach it to the back of your phone. It all comes with this little velvet bag to store everything in when you're not using it. Now, being a square screen, it doesn't show the whole frame of your camera, just the center portion of it. This isn't a big issue, but something to note. Also, since this is screen mirroring, anything that you have displayed on your phone can be seen on the monitor. So if you're leaving this attached, just know that anyone behind your phone can see what's on your screen. Another problem with this that isn't really a problem, but since it's wired, you can't step away from the camera and monitor the screen. Unless you have eagle-eye vision, which I'm super jealous of. So yeah, I've tested other monitors for your phone, and this is honestly my favorite one, which surprised me because it's just so simple. I was using this one from Shimbal, which is really nice, especially with a big screen. Except it was too much work and took too much time to pair with my phone. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on Android. I did try it out with my old Samsung Note 10 just to make sure, and yeah, it doesn't work. Anyways, if you're interested in the Vlogmate Mini, I'll have everything linked in the description. And sorry, Founist, or however you say it, for completely butchering your name. See ya.